In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers for schools that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MakerBot Replicator Plus Educators. Another strong contender for 3D printers for schools and a favorite among educators, the MakerBot Replicator Plus Educators Edition is a robust ecosystem printer housing top-end printing and safety features. A set-and-forget quality courses through every aspect of the MakerBot Replicator Plus Educators Edition. It arrives fully assembled, sighted by automatic bed leveling, Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring and printing, and an easily navigable LCD. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Educators Edition blends seamlessly into the classroom environment due to an excellent software suite, including MakerBot Cloud, Tinker CAD compatibility, and the intuitive MakerBot Print phone, desktop, and browser app. Safety is also well covered with an onboard camera, removable build plate, hands-off printing, and compatibility with MakerBot's proprietary classroom-safe MakerBot PLA and MakerBot Tough PLA. Number 2. Flashforge Creator Pro 2. The Flashforge Creator Pro 2 lines up alongside the best 3D printers for schools. It offers a cost-effective, enclosed printer fit to handle a broad range of materials. Teachers will find the Flashforge Creator Pro 2 an adaptable classroom 3D printer, especially those teaching advanced design and technology along with their various applications. The independent dual extruder is also a boon for educators looking to teach more complex 3D printing techniques that employ 2 different filament types in the same print, 2 color parts, support structures for a particularly complex model with lots of overhangs, or printing multiple student-designed parts at the same time. The Flashforge Creator Pro 2 scores points for ease of use, too. It arrives fully assembled and ready to print, negating the need for time-sapping setup and tinkering to get the best results. Although the Flashforge Creator Pro 2 lacks learning aids and lesson plans like many other classroom-ready 3D printers, its simplicity won't pose any issues for educators and students. Number 3. Dremel Digilab 3D40 EDU. The Dremel Digilab 3D40 FLX01 is a versatile and user-friendly 3D printer designed for both educators and users of all skill levels, from beginners to professionals. It comes with a variety of features, including a flexible build plate for easy model removal, a clog-resistant all-metal extruder, and an automated 9-point leveling sensor for reliable and precise printing. The printer offers a high resolution of 50 microns, a 3.5-inch color touch screen for intuitive operation, and a fully enclosed design for safety. Specifically tailored for teachers, it includes 30 standards-aligned lesson plans for grades 3 to 12, extra PLA filaments, build sheets, and access to professional development training on 3D printing. The printer is easy to set up and delivers consistent results, with features like filament runout detection and smooth printing capabilities. Backed by over 85 years of Dremel's trusted quality, this printer also comes with lifetime customer support and a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for educational and professional use. Number 4. Dremel 3D45 EDU. The Dremel 3D45 EDU is another 3D printer made for education from the toolmakers at Dremel. It provides a complete, easy-to-use, minimal setup 3D printing experience, perfect for learners. Simplicity is the theme here. Dremel has gone to lengths to make using the Dremel 3D45 as effortless as possible. It boasts automatic bed leveling, a trove of connectivity options including Wi-Fi and cloud networking, a sleek touchscreen interface, and ships fully assembled. Combined, these types of features make setting up and using the print far easier, so both teachers and learners can get hands right off the bat. The Dremel 3D45 EDU covers all the safety bases with a HEPA carbon air filter, a fully enclosed chamber, a filament holder encased within the printer's shell, and even a handy, inbuilt HD camera for remote print progress monitoring. The EDU kit also arrives with extra filament spools, glue sticks, and a backup build plate. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a 3D printer with a printing size of 225 by 225 by 280 mm, 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, suitable for most users' needs. It features an STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors on all axes, ensuring quieter and more precise movement during printing, with noise levels as low as 47 to 48 dB. The printer is easy to set up, arriving with pre-assembled main components and a complete tool kit for quick installation. It boasts a dual-gear direct extruder made from high-quality SUS 303 stainless steel, offering a 3:1 reduction ratio and a stronger extrusion force for smoother filament feeding, reducing nozzle clogging and under-extrusion issues. This extruder is compatible with various filaments like PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. The printer's nozzle kit includes a TC for titanium alloy throat pipe, an aluminum alloy heat sink, and a brass nozzle for improved heat dissipation and reduced clogging risk. The auto bed leveling feature uses a high-precision sensor to scan the hotbed and adjust the Z-axis height for any irregularities, enhancing printing accuracy. Additionally, the printer auto-pauses when the filament runs out or breaks and can resume printing after a power outage. The Z-axis is equipped with dual synchronized lead screws and dual motor drive for more stable print head movement and higher accuracy, along with a 4-wheel V-guide rail pulley made of POM for stable movement, low noise, wear resistance, and longer service life.